The best NBA 2K25 build depends on your preferred play style, but a versatile and balanced build can dominate on both offense and defense. So here we go. A well-rounded choice is a guard or forward with a focus on shooting, ball handling, and defense. One popular option is creating a sharpshooting player, which allows you to excel in scoring from beyond the arc while maintaining excellent ball control for driving and passing. For this build, prioritize attributes like shooting, speed, and playmaking. Maximize shooting stats such as three-point shooting and mid-range to consistently hit shots from various areas of the court. Simultaneously, improve ball handling and passing to keep your opponents guessing and ensure fluid offensive plays. Adding high defensive stats like perimeter defense and steals can give you an edge in both ends of the floor. Physicals such as speed, acceleration, and vertical should also be enhanced to allow quick breaks and effective transitions. You can tweak the height and wingspan to suit your playing style, but a medium height build around 6 feet is generally favored for its balance between agility and shooting ability. The best build for NBA 2K25 ultimately combines versatility with specialization in key areas, ensuring that you can impact the game in multiple ways while adapting to different play styles.